about the retirement of the man. Man is usually outgoing type. He has to protect his family, provide shelter, education for the children, and the means of comfort. He has to face many challenges in his job and work. Out there in the outside world, there is a big struggle. Children are educated and gone away to build their own nest. He breathes a sigh of relief, thinking that he has completed his duties. By that time, in most cases, he has come to the age of retirement. Suddenly, he feels a vacuum all around his house because those urgencies of doing the duties have all disappeared. Now, if he has not planned what he is going to do in retirement, then he will be going around aimlessly like a ship without a rudder. Idleness may creep in his life and he becomes a couch potato. That is why it is very important to plan your retirement lifestyle before you retire. I am not talking about your retirement finances. This can be easily taken care of by a financial planner or your compulsory savings in the superannuation fund. I am talking about how you are going to spend your life. You have to decide what you are going to do, how you will spend your time, what activities will you do, how you will maintain your health. These are very important things. And if you have not decided about these things, then you will be going aimlessly in the life. What effect it will have on your health and on your longevity. Money in the bank is not much useful if you do not know how to use it fruitfully. So you have to know what to do with it. A man must first think of a healthy body and have a regular good diet full of fresh vegetables and fruits. Maintaining a good health is very important. Regularity plays a very important part to derive maximum benefit out of a good healthy diet. In addition to that, you must keep your body fit by exercise. Walking a few kilometers a day is beneficial, but not enough by itself. You must do other exercises like yoga, tai chi, Zumba, etc. You can watch some video and follow the instructions. You must keep your body fit to keep away from arthritis and away from the wheelchair. Lastly, in addition to keeping a healthy body, you must keep your mind also healthy to keep away from the degenerating diseases like Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's, etc. Watching TV and radio and listening to radio must be avoided because they are only passive entertainment. They do not give you any exercise. Having some hobby which taxes your brain is very important. Not just collecting something, but something that taxes your brain. Playing with your grandchildren is also very useful if you have. Or you can play indoor games or outdoor games with your friends like chess, bridge, carom, tennis, whatever you can do. Remember, mind also needs to exercise just like any other muscle in the body. Use it or lose it applies to the brain also. So you must keep your brain very active all the time. Play games with your friends wherever and whatever you can do. When the life expectancy was about 75, the retirement age was 60. Now with the life expectancy of 85, the retirement age is increased to 65. After retirement, you will be living longer because of the advances in the medical sciences. They invented new methods, new machines, new medicines to treat various diseases. So you will live longer than your working life. Living beyond the age of 100 is now a possibility rather than an exception. You may adopt a lifestyle like above, but maintaining regularity for the lonely people it is very difficult. The ever-present question of a lonely person, what is it this all about? Why is it all necessary? Will creep in your mind, lethargy will enter, and you will give up the regularity of physical and mental exercises. And you may be hospitalized also. This is why you must join a group of where you can live in a cooperative way like a joint Hindu family. Here you will be able to maintain your regularity and it will increase your enthusiasm. Otherwise, you may end up like an average Australian after retirement. He does not do anything and he becomes idle and lazy, drinks a lot, and bad habits will creep in like gambling and drinking and etc. An Australian man in retirement is most likely to be overweight and obese, 4 times more likely to take his own life, getting into bad habits of smoking, drinking, gambling, then contracting cancer and die early. To avoid all these things, he must live in a group where he can maintain his regularity of exercises and healthy diet as well. For a retired Indian seniors, Jivandhara lifestyle is the most ideal place to be in. Here you will have a cooperative lifestyle like a undivided Hindu joint family in company of your like-minded and same-age friends. You will be active and healthy in this lifestyle. A man living alone, even when with his wife, tends to irregular in his physical well-being. 2006 survey of the Australian men reports that only 16% of men take part in yoga compared to the 80% women. And this is why I recommend you to join a group like Jivandhara where you can maintain the regularity and well-being of physical and mental health. Jivandhara is an apartment building. So here you can meet your friends in the common hall whenever you like, regardless of outside weather. You will not have to drive long distances to meet your friend. All your meals, breakfast through to dinner, will be served in the dining hall and you can enjoy it in company of your friends. Because of bulk buying and bulk cooking, it will be more economical than just cooking the meal for 1 or 2 when living alone. And you will get the maximum benefit out of this. In addition, there will be common exercises in the common hall where you can maintain the regularity for your exercises. The brain also gets exercises by regular mind testing classes and helps you to keep away from arthritis, from Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's, etc. There are many other advantages of living in a cooperative lifestyle, like unlimited Wi-Fi in the building, your apartment and toilets and bathroom cleaned every week, your bedsheet and linen changed and washed regularly, your clothes washed and ironed on a weekly basis, and all this will be done at a very economical rate by the bulk contractors. There will be also group outing to sports, casino, city, restaurants, picnics on the beaches, etc. for your outdoor entertainment. So you will have a very luxurious, enjoyable lifestyle. More details are given on to www.jivandhara.com.au.
क्या आपने कभी ऐसे रिटायरमेंट की कल्पना की है जो कॉलेज लाइफ की तरह हो? वही टेंशन फ्री लाइफ, मौज मस्ती और हमउम्र दोस्तों का साथ एक खूबसूरत जगह। आप अपनी जिंदगी के सहेजे हुए खूबसूरत पलों को दोबारा से जिएं।